Alright, welcome to part 2. We got our dyed eggs. As you can see, this is kind of like our beet one. It's got kind of, this is the one that we cracked before we put in. And I'm just gonna try and do some extra. This is all natural dyes and everything. I'm just using a little toothpick here. We're just doing extra stuff. Kind of a little bit better. You know, got more like texture, more decoration there. All right, so we got our spirulina egg here. This is looking pretty monstrous, very green. Now we did have our blue here, but something happened. I'm not really sure what. I think it ended up in the red. So now we kind of have a purple, maybe purple egg. We'll leave that there. This is our spinach egg, which honestly not doing much for me there. Maybe just leave that soaking. I mean, it is a different color than the white. It's kind of more like pale yellow. Our paprika egg. And this one was supposed to kind of turn out like a pumpkin. It's not really looking like a pumpkin to me, but maybe if we let these things soak more, it would turn into such. So we get our dye results for our eggs. Our beet powder was by far one of my favorites. It kind of made the egg more like an eyeball. It showed the capillaries. It's great. Our paprika, maybe if we soaked it longer, it would look more like a pumpkin. It was kind of just more like a peachy rust color. Our red cabbage, it did turn blue. Not sure what we're gonna do with that, but we're still thinking about it. Our spirulina, it was perfectly green, good for monster eggs. And our spinach, finally, maybe just again, go longer, and we would have a good result there. And then finally, we have our part 3 of this video, which we're gonna decorate these eggs and make it into something presentable. Stay tuned.